Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me, and I'm going to be trying out a new foundation. So yeah, let's get started. So basically I've been trying out some foundations for my daily wear because the one I used to have is kind of discontinued by L'Oreal, unfortunately, and this is the one which I use for my daily wear. So I started searching for some new foundation. I have a lot of acne marks and blemishes and all, and I need something which is at least medium to high coverage. I also tried the NYX foundations. I tried the Born to Glow one. This is the one, and this is all right. I can make it work. I also tried another foundation by NYX. It is Can't Stop Won't Stop. This is another one which I tried, but this one was too thick, and all the foundations that I try from drugstore right now are like they give a very sticky finish, and it feels like you've applied so much of product on yourself, although they are like lightweight foundations, so they don't feel light at all to me. So I went ahead and bought myself Born This Way. I've heard really good reviews about this foundation. So I basically did my skin prep and color correction and some concealing off camera, and we are directly gonna go into using our foundation. I'm just gonna apply some balm on my lips, and we are going to go ahead and try out the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm just gonna have a little bit of Fix Plus on my face. The foundation was blending in so easily and so smoothly. I just loved the way it blended into my skin. It did not feel thick at all or sticky. It was really nice. Here's a close-up of what my skin looked like after applying the foundation completely, and I think it looks pretty good. Next, I'm just going in with my Maybelline concealer and doing my routine highlight and concealing. So now I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of loose powder. I'm gonna set my face. Liked this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.